Hello children, today we are with the creative writing request letter. This is a major discourse. It is a paper to skill. It is for 10 marks. Now I am with a pattern to follow. This request letter is for requesting for the issue of any certificate, that is it may be an income certificate, a bona fide certificate, a transfer certificate, a nativity certificate or any of the related ones. Now the pattern to follow: write the place and date to the right hand top corner, write the from and to address most positively in capital letters in order to make it effective and clear. Write the subject, that is what is the certificate that you are requesting for, write it as the subject. Then write the salutation wherein you greet the recipient and you tell what is the purpose of writing the letter. Then you, in the body of the letter or in the second paragraph, give the details, that is if you are applying for income certificate, write the income details. If you are applying for residence certificate, write the details of your residence. If you are applying for bona fide, write the details required for the bona fide certificate, and so on and so forth. And in the conclusion, conclude telling that you expect the certificate to be issued at the earliest. Now this is the request letter. Return the place and date to the right hand top corner, then from and to address in capital letter, and then subject, request for income certificate. Then I am greeting the recipient, respected sir, as I am applying for the post matric scholarship, I need my income certificate. My father so and so is a private employee with a monthly income of rupees so and so, or you can also write with an annual income, that is a whole year's income also you can write there. I hope you will issue the income certificate at the earliest. Thanking you, yours faithfully. So this is how you write the request letter requesting for the issue of an income certificate and or for the requesting for other certificates. Thank you for watching. For further updates, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you.